What's up, everybody on YouTube? I'm just playing Lollipop Chainsaw. Yeah, that's it. I have nothing else to say. Like and subscribe. I'm just making sure that this game works. And last time I played
stuff.
Huh?
Especially not if you really like the person. But that isn't what I wanted to talk about. Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today.
Oh, okay.
These are my girls on the San Romero cheer squad. We've gone to the Nationals 3 years in a row. But we are college scouts. My little sister Rosalind just got her license, which makes me kind of think the DMV are idiots. My girlfriends say my dad is a total dilf. But try as they might, they can never come between him and my mom. She is so...
Do you know what a MILF is?
Yeah.
Over our vaginas,
the opposite gender.
God, she and my dad love each other so much. Speaking of true love, dude, the hell?
Let's go.
And on my birthday too. It's already late enough. Gross.
Right up his balls. Looking ass.
I'm dead. Douchebags.
What's up with the audio?
Your goal.
The nigga that got snatched.
Your license should be revoked, bro.
I'll rip out your teeth.
Oh, great. This isn't gonna be as easy as I thought. Hey, Herb, don't be looking at my skirt.
Oh, he just fell down the... Alright. They put no emphasis on movement again. What the? Oh, damn. Here, pussy. I saved you. Oh. Let's go.
Who am I?
Bro, this freaking train in the back. Oh my god. Oopsies. No, get off me. What the hell? I don't know what the animation was, but... There we go. Oh. Why did he fall?
My favorite president is...
Oh, oh. Ah. Nigga! Let's go. Bruh.
Oh no, he crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
Interesting. Oh.
Just a second.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet.
I guess.
Hope you're
To be making another Lollipop Chainsaw. One of the things I hope is that they add more playable characters. Like, the Gulliver family seems like freaking, they seem like, it's a little bit crazy, a little bit creepy. Ooh, what am I getting?
Click, click.
You know who, you know, like the writer of this game, right?
No.
It's James Gunn wrote the story of this game.
James Gunn broke this game?
Yes.
That's actually crazy. That's some crazy
James
knowledge.
James.
Let's go. Yeah, fuck them niggas up. Ooh. Ah. Boy. What the fuck? Get on me. Turn me up.
I
Backing off of me. So, George.
It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet! Ah! I'm so hungry. Ah! Ah!
Oh no, her boyfriend got eaten. All right, if y'all had a partner and they got bit by a zombie, would you cut off their head and chain them to your waist?
Excellent.
I mean, in the context of Lollipop Chainsaw, I mean, yeah, because like they're still alive.
I had to.
Oh god! Oh fuck! Ah! God! Where's my fucking body? Oh fuck!
Don't get mad. I didn't know what
If
to
Lollipop
do.
Chainsaw had a movie, that
How am
movie
I
probably
still
go crazy.
alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed a magical ritual on your head. It was
Bruh.
really hard, and I don't mean to.
That's right, nigga.
Ah!
Get on that ass.
Oh fuck!
Don't hate me.
He's like,
What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy.
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Why are you cussing at me?
This kind of math sucks.
Oh, more of y'all? Come on. Ouch! Fuck out of here, nigga. Come on. Freaking. He ran? They ran on our butt like.
Fucked up my math test. I need help.
Get off. Do it again.
I've got shit running down my legs from the fear.
Miss me. Ooh, I missed. Damn, smack it up. Damn, damn, damn. I didn't even mean to pop that. He literally caused me to pop it because I was trying to mash.
Drake, those jerks trapped us in here.
How late.
Come here, nigga. That's more. Looking ass. Easy peasy. Aw, shit.
Thanks a lot.
Let's go. Nigga name is Ryu. Why is Ryu a cop?
You just reminded me like one fucking I watched.
Like,
You just reminded me of those people that call Ryu.
bro, these cutscenes are pissing me off. Like the zoom in and shit. Like holy shit.
These cutscenes are.
Like I'm tired of like a wow, look at this happening. Like alright, I get it.
They want you to rescue all the fucking bitches, bro.
Now these niggas are on fire. A pole? Alright, get off. Get off! I know that I have to go down there, man. Like the arrow does just.
Dude, that's the thing though. You would be surprised, bro. Like there's like whenever it's like, why is the game telling me this? It's there for a reason. It is actually there for a reason. That's the unfortunate like world that we
All I did was press the A button.
A sensei? But like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well, I
Osegoy, watashi mo nigo o hanashimasu.
can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
I can't speak
Your
Japanese.
simple
I don't
innocence is
know
one of the
the
most
word.
attractive things about you.
James
Something
Gunn.
else written. It says
Why you
zombie
think fucking
basketball,
piece
time
of-
limit 3 minutes. You lose.
Bro. He's blocking my shots. And then they come in and hit me. What is that? What is that running at me? I died because this. Oh my god. Why is she so stiff? Oh. Come on. Holy shit. I did it, y'all. Come on. Boy. That shit out of here. Motherfuckers was just shooting me.
More than carrot top. Iris. Again and again with the door. It's irritating.
Oh my god, girl. This nigga ended up killing himself. This nigga just killed himself.
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please.
What the? What the? No fucking way.
The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosive, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world, and the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did.
It's party time, motherfuckers!
Nigga. The loading screen? Ah!
Magnum
Nigga.
genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy.
Where are you from, Kiss?
We went to school.
Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude! Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself god of this realm. As the pawn is present, may a ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now!
He reminds me of Zaz, and I hate him. The quick time event.
Kind of hot when you kick ass!
Probably took him 3 hours.
Oh.
Yes! That's what I'm talking about!
Almost thought he had an extra health. Wait.
Think that hurts me?
Huh?
I just jizzed a little.
Huh? Yeah, it's here. Oh my god, I didn't see him! Can't see this shit. Dude, what's up with the camera? Dude, what is up with this damn camera? Okay. No, take the hill, take the hill, take the hill, take the hill. Oh my god, he's gonna keep yelling, huh? Oh my god, what is this? Turn off!
Birthday, Juliet. You were always my favorite pupil.
Dog. We look fried. Damn, I had to shoot the hell out of my leg, y'all. I'm playing stage 2 of Lollipop
There's a
chainsaw
lot
right now,
of
yo.
cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free.
That hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life.
What?
Bro.
Is that rain? Guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
He has the One
Another dark
Piece.
purveyor. Oh my gosh, that's my big sister Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter too.
Really?
Hey, Cordelia!
I don't know.
Hear me! Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Bro.
On the umbrella cords.
Can't hear you!
God, I'm happy you don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.
Huh? Wait, what? What did he just say?
What?
What did he just... Hello?
You need a car door. Can't you read?
Check out this
Oh!
new trick. It's called the Chainsaw Dash.
Oh.
Whee! This one. Alright. Alright.
Wait, stop! It makes me dizzy!
Whee!
Ah! Watch the eyes!
What the? This isn't racist at all.
Where to now?
Most importantly, I want to find my birthday present my sister dropped. Secondly, I want to save my sister.
Let's go!
Well, you have your priorities straight.
I know,
box.
okay. Let's get to the roof of the school and find that floaty boat.
Sauce on these niggas. Wait. I accidentally... Nigga, get me out of here! Girl, just stand...
Kill him anyway!
Bro.
Got that
Oh
super
my...
armor. Tin Hut.
Bro. Dude!
Tin Hut. Tin Hut. Tin Hut.
Dude!
Tin Hut. What the fuck? Tin Hut. Oh shit.
Uppercuts. I guess.
Everyone turns into zombies, but it's also kind of fun because I get to do stuff like jump in a fire truck.
Yeah!
It is fun! It makes me forget that most of my friends are dead!
Heat it up.
So real.
Click, click.
I want this one.
The goth outfit.
Yeah. Oh.
Nigga.
Well, technically I did get something goth. Well. Boy.
Backtrap, rabies.
What?
Dude, coming to help.
Get up, boy.
I need a girlfriend.
What am I supposed to do about... Nigga... What was I supposed to do with that information? Like...
What's your favorite color, Nick?
I'll be careful, alright. Wait a minute. Oh.
I'll show you another trick.
Oh, my Sonic Adventure 2 training is paying off.
Hold on.
Hold on with what?
Bro, I cannot move. This nigga right here that is just... Move! Holy sh... Move with your bitch ass. Holy shit, bro.
They gave you a lot of time doing that.
Dude, they gave me a lot of time doing that, but just moving around this game. Huh? Huh? What do you mean? What was it?
Another big jump. Hold on with your teeth, Nick.
Okay,
You go.
Ow, you bit my butt.
sorry.
Bro.
Where are my beautiful grandchildren?
Huh? What? What the hell did she just do to me?
What the dick is going on with all this crazy stuff?
He's killing him. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude.
Bro, they're dodging this.
Bruh.
Oh my god. Skill issue.
What the? I did not pop. I popped my thing on accident again, bro.
Okay, that was sad killing my friends, but also so fun.
Girls in Kenya have big butts.
What?
What?
I guess.
Yay. I hate that hoe. It's crazy that I didn't know James Gunn wrote this. The story.
They're right, the lightning doesn't strike twice. It strikes like 18 times.
This feels faster than Mario Kart Worlds.
Bro.
More firefighters to
Nintendo niggas attack!
Left to right, left to right.
Yes.
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff. Not a dick.
What's chasing after me?
The Reaper.
I see the ship.
Then my Fortnite aim.
Another hit.
Nigga!
There's no way he's gonna run to the base, celebrate, and then run to the other one. This nigga is actually worse than Murray from Slap.
More quarters, please.
Cheerleader!
No, no! Show hammer! No.
He's a shooter.
Oh my god.
There's something on you. No, Cordelia. That's just my boyfriend, Nick.
Oh, hey, Cordelia. How's it going?
Touching it with the gun?
Thanks.
Ouch. The whole no body thing is cool. I won't have to worry about gaining weight.
Huh?
It would just fall out of my neck.
Oh,
OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
dog.
I don't want you food for.
Good luck, sis. You too. Cute head boyfriend whose name I forget.
So this is where the One Piece is.
If it isn't the Pirates of the Jerkopian.
You've got a lot of gall setting foot on this ship, Stelpa. Says to make a ha! And use her spine as a back scratcher! Let's show her the Viking way! Ha 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 ha!
Keep your nasty looking stank ass away from me, nigga.
Retarded legs first.
What?
Oh, you've got a lot of gall, little girl.
You dead now? Of course not.
Yes, it's time. Finish him.
Hello? The camera? The pussy.
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
Yeah, Vikings can't wear dreads. Wait. No furries here, nigga.
I thought I'd try
Oh, I
something
like
new.
this.
Oh man, you're so hot.
How's this?
Oh, this got that fit ass.
Don't lie.
Um,
Well, I don't hate it.
wow. You're too hot, Juliet.
Alright, nigga.
Okay then.
Alright. Alright.
He's supposed to say that. That's our boyfriend.
Dark Purveyor's gonna show up totally bumming our worlds. Don't you think, Nick? 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 Where are you?
Right here, Juliet.
What happened? I saved you!
I was feeling so ineffective.
What?
Rosalind!
Who?
My little sister!
Let me guess. She's also a freaking zombie hunter?
Hey, Juliet, I came to save save you! Something's wrong with this bus! Oh, it's really irritating! Is that a new purse? Wait, it's your boyfriend! He's a decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever! Ah, I almost hit a bird! Look out!
I guess.
Oh, fuckballs, I almost forgot! Happy birthday, Juliet! This doesn't seem right.
I guess we should follow that bus, huh?
Wow, Rosalind must have seen this on my Amazon wish list. Nick Popper! I can shoot your head with this.
What?
He's that.
You're so sexy, Nick.
I didn't mean to pop that, man.
Nick toss.
Wee, I guess I can guess. You know, you know. Homosexuals. Yeah. Y'all see that dance here?
I always appreciated your rock hard butt, Juliet, but it's kind of hurting the back of my skull.
Shut up, Nick. I know you're just being ironic because of my ginormous ass. Ugh.
Dog.
Nick, you feel it? You feel it? That'd be great.
Wow.
This is the most disgusting farm
what's
ever.
having a feel with your
Pressing that, man.
God, you're hot.
It'd be a different button. Now I gotta watch this cutscene again.
Nick toss.
Lesbians. What the?
Just reinstall Fortnite. We played it like one time.
That's all I needed, bro. My aim's immaculate.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet.
I don't know how to respond to that.
Rosalind bought a bus.
Me or
Like I
Sagan?
said,
Ride a bus. Why would anyone want it?
Ouch! Hey!
in the fucking shop.
I'm sorry, Peter. Wait, actually, no. Y'all niggas are grimy. Oh, ouch! I'm sorry to all the cow lovers that may be watching this. I didn't mean to shoot them like that.
I mean, again, like this is a remaster of a decade-old hack and slash that wasn't received well when it came out.
Who's that?
I don't know, but there's something fishy going on here. Check out that mushroom.
Ooh, drugs.
This trip ain't over yet, child.
Don't do drugs, kids.
They say
Oh,
you
shoot.
reap what you sow, and I want to sell the zombie guts.
Get off my lawn, nigga. Get off my lawn. Get off my lawn, nigga. Get off my lawn. Get off my lawn, nigga. Get off my lawn.
You ever had a space cake, Juliet?
Mmm, a ding dong, yes.
No, like a pop brownie.
No way, I would never do drugs.
Get off my lawn.
Me neither.
Gross.
Right, I have no idea what a space cake is like.
Get
It
on my lawn,
totally
get off
doesn't
your
remind
lawn.
me of the way I feel right now at all. Awesome! I don't know what's going on, but this is a blast!
I would have rather fought them all. I ain't gonna hold you.
This makes me
But
want to be
it's
a
funny.
farmer.
Can I move with this? Thank you. What the fuck? Die?
What are their heads doing up there?
It's one.
You know what, Nick? I could really go for some fried...
Get off of my lawn. Get off of my lawn.
God, this is the weirdest day ever.
I know.
Get off
I
of my
don't know,
lawn.
it's from a hole in the ground, literally. Killing people is fun when they're zombies. A German porn video around here.
Huh?
What does that mean?
Nothing.
You don't watch porn, do you, Nick?
I mean, I've seen it, but no, never watched it on my own. Gross.
Never watch it. Wait. What is it? Boy.
I'm glad I took that pole dancing class.
No one's here.
I
Why
can
did she
do this
hop
much
on?
better in my clear lucite heels.
Why did she hop on it? No one's here. Get off. Get off! No, too many of y'all. Y'all too big for this. Damn, he was thick. It's time. Let's have some fun, Nick.
Nick toss.
How's the horses?
Lesbians.
Nick toss.
Lesbians. Bro.
I don't care for strangers.
I don't have the time for you, old fart.
Be my bride. Oh.
Huh? No.
Oh no, where's... How could you know how to...
You still gotta repop.
Rosalind, where are we going?
To Neverland.
Rosalind? Hey.
Oof. Huh?
Hey.
Step outside the boundaries of your mind. Lose yourself in the eternal, collective unconscious.
Hear me out, y'all.
And rot.
Listen, lady, why don't you try using some deodorant? Because
Oh, and she
honestly,
smell?
you smell
Mm.
like shit.
Wait. Poop. Alright, never mind, y'all. Never mind.
Pretty cool.
Split her in two.
One truth becomes
Oh.
two truths become.
Oh, she not playing.
There's like...
Mm.
One truth become. Two truths become. Seek the truth before your eyes.
Oh my god.
The gates. Peace out. Way out.
Goodbye. That was so anime of me.
If you want your sister back, baby, you need to win a game with me. Make your way to the Poultry Fun Center. I can't wait to party with your crew like it's 1983.
It's a trap, Juliet. We can't just rush in there alone.
We don't have any other choice, Nick. Who's gonna help us? I'm worried about Rosalind.
Well, that girl knows trouble like apple knows pie.
Excuse me.
Boy, you be careful now about where you're touching my daughter.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We gotta be careful. This Rosalind situation, so she don't get hurt.
Situation.
So I
Bro.
guess the two of you haven't been for...
You seem like a fine person, but whatever dude Juliet ends up with is gonna be part of the family business. What are you gonna do? Throw magic stars at chupacabras with your tongue?
Maybe, Dad. Nick's tongue is very limber.
And how do you know that?
She doesn't. She doesn't know that at all, sir. She has no idea if my tongue's limber.
Bro.
I'll head into the building at the entrance, all right? Daddy, you go around and sneak in from the back. I'll act as a decoy, drawing all the zombies' attention towards me, while you go up to the roof where Rosalind should be.
Juliet, you just made yourself a decoy.
Dad,
Bro.
what's wrong?
Why is this nigga crying?
My little girl is a tactical genius.
Wow. What the?
I think he really liked you. All right.
What did I get?
Oh, I'm so touched. My mom and dad knew exactly what I wanted.
Nick, shoot!
I can't wait to thank them in person.
I guess. What is he doing? Why is he dancing like?
New game's out today.
I guess. Alright. He saved.
Metal up your ass.
Huh? What did I do?
64 on us.
Uh-oh, I think he thinks we're blue ghosts.
What? Huh? No way. There's more.
That dude would be scarier if he wasn't wearing a fez.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No! Get up, get up! No! No! Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up!
Intruder alert. Intruder alert.
I'm out of here. Yay! I did it, everybody. Time for me to get out of here.
Next level.
What do you mean next level? Oh, these motherfuckers. Where you at? Come here. Oh.
Oh well.
1, 2, 3,
He's trans now.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Death metal is for pussies.
I guess. Whee!
Death metal is for pussies.
I guess. Whee!
Now it's mine.
Josie James. Oh no.
Believe it. Ready?
Yeah. Woohoo!
Yes. You're already dead.
You can miss me with that.
You win. Next level.
Finally, that little bit's over. Huh? No. Straight to boxing. Wait.
When I practice alone in my room, I do it naked and get left.
What is this one?
Are you ready?
It's my turn.
Why you dancing like that? I'm trying to get up. She won't run. Holy shit, did they not, bro? I'm tired. This fucking nigga on the ground. Bro, bust at his ass. This guy. Dude, I swear to God. Oh my God. Oh no, another mini game. This has to be like one of the worst levels to play, actually.
Are you ready? Start.
Niggas dropping cows and shit. Gotta be careful. Is that a butt plug? They're throwing, these niggas throwing butt plugs. Oh my God. I made it.
You win.
That was so boring. Hey, it's time to get funky. This nigga got a diaper on. This nigga got a diaper on. Get on the thing. Go, 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 go. How did I get downstairs?
Pretty cool.
Boss battle, man. I'm shooting him and he's not taking health. He's literally not taking health. He keeps dropping bombs. Jump, jump, jump on the. Why am I not able to jump on the platform? Oh, you devs are absolutely sick at fucking making video games. Oh my god. Down, down. It's not gonna matter anyway because I'm about to die.
I just identified an unidentified flying object, and we're freaking standing on it. A UFO.
Cool.
Oops.
I wasn't even near it and I died. It didn't even... Hello?
Oops.
I wasn't even near it and I died. Hello? Get up here. Nigga, just go. Just go. That 1 second slight pause is really ticking me off. Oh my god. And then he's just... Why am I locked on? Why am I locked on to this nigga? And you want me to shoot him at the same time? It's like you're purposely blinding my... What is this camera, bro? What is this camera? Alright. Dude, she is so laggy. Dude, that's unbelievable. That's unbelievable game design. That's so crazy. Unbelievable game. Oh. That boss sucked. That whole stage sucked balls.
If you kill me, what I said, I'm a motherfucking zombie. Drop the chainsaw now, ho.
Oh.
Hey, baby.
Kill that nigga. Kill this diaper wearing ass, age regression ass nigga. Get the fuck up out of here, nigga. Wearing diapers and shit. Being a funk master. Get the hell out of here. That stage sucked balls. I don't ever want to have to play that stage ever again. I can't wait to be done with this.
So here's what we're gonna do. Juliet, you attack from the front. I'll take out the bastards from here. Cordelia, you head this way. And Rosalind, here. Together, we should be able to find this last bastard. Got it?
Yes, Daddy.
Yep.
Rosalind?
Check it out. I gave it a makeover.
I am not an it.
Son, if you don't quit acting like a fruit, I'm gonna stick you in the juicer.
Huh?
That's a risk I'm willing to take. Living like this sucks anyway.
No.
No? You can't just take me if I don't want to.
Yes, I can. Because I love you so much.
Get on his ass, nigga.
I guess I don't have any choice but to do this.
Show you uppercut. Three.
Awesome.
I didn't hit that nigga, bro. Here he goes. Here he goes. Just pressing shit. The nigga's just mashing on me, bro. Nigga's just mashing on me.
Really an amazing sharpshooter.
Give it up. He ripped. No, he's about to. I might die. Oh, oh my god. I thought I was gonna die. Oh my god.
Relax, sis. Neat. Ready? Go.
I popped it again and I didn't want to pop it. Come on, man.
I think those zombies were trying to bukkake me.
What?
Watch out overhead. Got it.
My Fortnite aim, nigga.
You have to go faster.
My health! My health! Don't shoot me, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Dude, they deleted my health. Targeting these niggas, bro. I'm about to fucking die. You're gonna throw that shit and I can't dodge it. There's no fucking real defense in this game. It's just gonna help you dodge it. Fucking Paul Blart ass motherfucking zombies, bro.
Amazing.
Let's go. What's up? What's up? Mickey Mouse. Yeah.
If it bleeds, I can kill it.
Get your ass off me, boy.
Hi, darling.
There's a weight limit on this thing. Gotta make sure zombies don't slow it down.
If they do, I'll put them on my new disembowelment
I
diet.
didn't press that, but I'll take that.
Do you have a dance ball?
Look at this nigga, dog. Oh, hell no. No!
Ah, we're falling!
I got us! Yay!
Yay might be pushing it.
Okay, it was supposed to happen.
Neat. Whoa! Check out that cathedral. It's beautiful.
Probably a vampire in that last one.
Yeah.
Not even press, bro. It's like they didn't playtest this at all. Let's go. Let's turn it up. Yay! Mwah.
Baby. Nick Popper.
Oh my god.
Juliet, I see it. Hold on.
I love your passion band. It looks like we can make beautiful dance together.
Hiya! Let's get it.
I've got a feeling when I start playing,
You're so sexy, Nick. Nick toss.
Jerry Lee Suckass is a real pain. Awesome.
God, you're hot.
Wait, is it about to be this easy?
we gonna fly. You ready? Now let's go to the depths of hell!
What the?
Sure, giant robot elephant doesn't even faze me anymore. Awesome.
Lesbian time.
You ready?
Hey, now this is the essence of Elephant Rock. Make sure you don't fall behind here, Tom.
Oh shit. I died and I didn't even realize I got hit.
Awesome! Baby! Baby!
Oh, I survived.
Awesome!
You're so sexy, Nick.
I lived. So, I don't know where the music went, but I guess. Oh my god. I died at the last second. I died at the last second. There's no way that I just sat there and died at the last. I cannot wait to be done with this game. I genuinely cannot wait to be done with this game. And then I got hit. I got hit because I didn't know what the fuck he was doing. Die, nigga! Just die. He has another form! He has it! I'm about to quit this game. I'm actually about to just quit this game. I won't be able to beat this game because it's not fun. Oh, where am I supposed to aim it at? Where am I supposed to aim it at? The fucking lock-on doesn't fucking work like it's supposed to work. And this nigga's within my fucking... I'm getting hit. I swear to God, I cannot wait to be done with this fucking game. Holy shit, I cannot wait to be finished with this game. I'm pressing it, bro. I swear I'm just sitting there pressing it. Die! Die! I hate you! I hate this game! Holy shit. It's finally over. It's finally over. Oh.
The gates are open. It's the zombie of zombies, Killabilly.
Yesterday, I stubbed my toe. I was like, this is the worst day ever. Yeah, not quite.
Shut up and stay on my ass, nigga.
Weird, it's a sure sign he's dead.
Yes, dear. I am contacting you from the land beyond words. I'll guide you the best I can, but the reception here is terrible, so listen carefully.
Yes, Sensei.
Yes, Sensei.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance, and you're gonna take the time to mock me? I just heard you. You're right
It was the
there.
wind or something.
Please, both of you.
Bro.
You must first get close.
Oh my god, get up! Oh, what is hitting me? Dude, hit these niggas! This game sucks! Holy shit, this game is so bad. This game is absolutely so fucking terrible. This game is so fucking terrible at the end of the game. This game is absolutely garbage. Holy shit. So much fun, man. And these niggas spit out acid. These niggas do a bunch of other shit. Let's go.
Really, Nick? The fate of our whole town is in the balance, and you're gonna take the time to mock me?
Ugh.
Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley.
This is so fucking...
Oh, this dude has tried to grab me more than Father O'Malley.
Oh my god, he keeps repeating the same line. Shut up. We're not fucking done yet, of course, man. Of course we're not done, man.
I'll be so happy when you kill this guy.
So much fun, y'all.
Juliet, you can do it.
What the fuck? What? It glitched.
It was pretty.
Juliet, can you hear me? Listen carefully as our connection is tenuous. You must do as I say.
Okay.
You're making good progress.
I'd like to believe in you.
Okay, Nick. Let's get this over with.
No way I'm going inside this nigga's body. I want to be done with this game. I just want to be done with this game.
Dench.
Juliet, are you there?
Since
Is it over? Is it finally over? Am I done playing this game?
no?
Oh. Finally.
So please, in my memory, have Juliet do plenty of cartwheels while wearing those little white panties with the teddy bear.
I'm about to boom her sensei.
Juliet,
I never want to have to play this game ever again. I hope I don't have to play this game ever again. I won't play this game ever again. If the new one comes out, hopefully they just fix everything that happened in the first one, because the first one is horrible. Everything was fine in the first couple of levels, and then once I hit that video game level, it was a wrap. Oh my. Oh, there's more?
Mom, I'm home.
Mama, your lover boy is back.
Everyone, where were you? You were supposed to be home hours ago.
Mom, I have someone I want you to meet.
Mrs. Starling, hi, I'm Nick.
Oh, you're Juliet's friend.
Mom, what's wrong?
Come on in, everyone. Time for dinner.
Holy mother! Oh!
And by dinner, I mean you.
Wow.
Toss down. Toss down. Toss down.
If you can't decide, or don't know what to eat, or need a food guide, menu on the left, right or center, choose where to go and press key enter.
Northwest.